Good morning students. Today we will do exercise 15C question number 5 and 6. In question number 5 in first part we have to make an isosceles triangle ABC in which AB and AC is equal to 6.5 centimeter and angle A is equal to 60 degrees. So first of all I will make a side AB 6.5 centimeter. 0, this is 6, this is 5. AB 6.5 centimeter. Now on A I will make an angle of 60 degree. Take a compass, draw a semicircle and then without disturbing the opening put one line here. This will give you 60 degree angle. Now from A to this point join and draw a line. Now cut this line again 6.5 centimeter. This is already 6.5 centimeters, so you can measure 6.5 centimeter from here. This is 6.5. Now you are going to cut it this line 6.5 centimeter. Okay, little bit more we can produce it. Now this is point C. Now you can join BC. This is a required triangle ABC in which this is angle 60 degree, AB is 6.5 centimeter and AC is also 6.5 centimeter. Now in second part also we have to make an isosceles triangle whose equal sides are 6 centimeter and vertex angle is 45 degree. So we will assume that AB is equal to AC. Two equal sides are 6 centimeter and here angle of vertex is angle A, which is common in both. Okay, so first of all I will draw one side AB 6 centimeter. 0, this is 6. Okay, AB, and on A I will make the angle of 45 degree. See, to make angle of 45 degree, first of all you will draw a semicircle, then without disturbing the opening, this is mark of 60, this is mark of 120. From 60 and 120 we will mark two more points like this, and then we will join this line. This will give you 90 degree angle. To make 45 degree angle you will mark one point from 0, the line which is a point on AB line, and one from 90 degree where these 2 points will meet, that is 45 degree. Okay, now you will cut this line 6 centimeter. You can measure this. AB is 6 centimeter. Cut it. This is point C. Match BC. Okay, and AC is equal to also 6 centimeter. This AB is also 6 centimeter. This angle is 45 degree. After doing this, you have to measure B and C also. When you will measure B and C, they are equal to, when you will measure angle B and C, you will get them 6.5 degree. Okay, you can measure these angles with the help of protractor. This is also 6.5 degree. This is also 6.5 degree because these are base angles. Okay, now we will do third question. Now in third part, BC is equal to AB is equal to 5.8 centimeter. So draw a line BC 5.8. This is 5, 5.5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Okay, this is point B, this is point C. On B you have to make the angle of 30 degree. To make angle of 30 degree, first of all we will mark 60 degree angle. this is 60-degree angle, and one line from this point and one line from 60-degree point. This will give you 30-degree angle. Now BC is equal to AB 5.8. So measure this BC. This is 5.8, and you can cut this line 5.8 centimeter. Okay, now match A and C. Okay, this is also 5.8 centimeter. This is 30-degree. Then measure angle A and C. Angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 5-degree. When you will measure these angles, these must be 75-degree, and these two are base angles. These are two equal sides of an isosceles triangle. Now in question number 6, you have to construct an equilateral triangle ABC in which all the sides are equals to 5 centimeter. Okay, and after drawing this, you have to draw the perpendicular bisector of AC and BC. How you can make the perpendicular bisector? See, I will tell you. To make perpendicular bisector, you can open this compass more than half and draw one line from here and on the both sides of this line AC. Okay, then from C also you will cut the previous lines. Okay, then you will measure. What you will do, you will draw a dotted line here. Now join these 2 points. This will give you the perpendicular bisector of AC. Perpendicular bisector means it is going to cut this line in 2 equal parts. You can measure also. See, it is giving 2.5. Okay, now in the same way you can make a perpendicular bisector of BC also. Open the triangle, this compass more than half. Okay, then from here also okay, you have to cut this line that they will meet on. Okay, here also they are going to cut. Now match these 2 points. Okay, after matching these points, this where these 2 bisectors are meeting, that is point P. Now match PA, PC and PV also. Okay, and after doing, measure these sides, they must be equal. See, this is 2.9, this is also 2.9, this is also 2.9. So PA is equal to PB is equal to PC. All are 2.9 centimeter. In the same way, you can do 6 questions, same second part also. In place of 5 centimeter, in that question you have to draw the side 6 centimeter. Okay, do these 4 sums in your fear notebook. With this we have finished this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.